Hello guys, welcome again to the episode of College Dunya Education on Thoughts. My name is Kush and in front of me is Rupal Jain ma'am. Ma'am, please give an introduction.
So, hi all. Myself Rupal Jain, and I'm senior lecturer in INIT Gurukul Ahmedabad since last 21 years. So, I've completed 2 decades here and still love the being part of this institute.
Yes. So ma'am, let's start with the questions.
Yes.
So, what are the best practices in the course you are offering?
See, first of all, let me tell you that we have recently completed 25 years. So, it means a lot. It's a legacy in itself. So, in this 25 years, we have learnt a lot, and that we inculcate in teaching students. We have updated ourselves at the same time. We have kept the Indian roots intact. So, हम यहाँ जो भी पढ़ाते हैं ना, so we every day upgrade. We update ourselves. We know what's going around in the field, what is the in and out of the fashion industry, creating something from the scratch, working with the masters, upgrading students' skills, and it is like no उनको A to Z सिखाना सब कुछ. It's not we don't expect कि वो सब सीख कर आए. We treat them as कि हमको उनको A से लेके Z तक सिखाना है. We have to teach them as per their interest levels. So that is the best thing that we are doing it. We are not creating the masters. We are creating real human fashion designers.
Wonderful, ma'am.
Yeah.
So, coming to my next question, how did you train yourself to deliver this program to the students?
So let me tell you about my educational qualifications.
Right.
I have done my post-graduation in clothing and textile from MS University Baroda, and I was a university topper affiliated with gold medal. And apart from that, ये teaching field ऐसी है ना कि आप रोज बच्चों से सीखते हो. They teach you, they upgrade you. So it is like give and take. I learn every day. I go through blogs, I read what the designers are doing, I see their work, I explore. At the same time, I keep rooted. And for that matter, all the faculties in INIT Gurukul Ahmedabad who are experienced for more than 25 years. So we have kept ourselves very traditional, though very modern. Because see, every time we take inspiration from history, we go back to roots. So that's what we are doing, trying to amalgamate the traditional roots with modern shape.
Right. So, coming to the next question,
Yes.
what are the benefits and career options after pursuing this outcome?
A lot. We offer 1-year courses, 2-year courses, and 3-year courses. And here we, as I say, that students अपने हिसाब से हमसे सीखते हैं. I have trained students who are heading Pornia Pop-Up London branch. I have trained students who are heading Pantaloon branch. Like I have trained students who are running their own boutiques. And whenever I exhibit my stuff, everywhere I find my students working around. So you can say right from the scratch. From sales, marketing, designing, production, we have placed our students not pan-India but globally, and we feel very proud to say that. So the placement over here is excellent, and every month we have placements and students are placed as per their interest level.
Right, ma'am.
Yes.
So, ma'am, what are the valuable insights of the program that you are offering at your institute?
A lot. See, first thing that we update our curriculum every year, right? It's not that our institute is 25 years, so we are teaching the same thing again and again. We update, we upgrade, and we make our curriculum very understandable. A lot of practical work with a lot of workshops, field visits. Last year we took students to Bharat Tech, which is a global exhibition. All the exhibitors across the globe come there. So this valuable insight, along with fashion, we teach fashion styling. That is the USP. Not everyone can create garments, right?
Right.
So we teach them styling. We teach computer knowledge, pattern makings and grading. So we have a lot to offer to students. And I would say this is one of the safest place to learn fashion, because we here take our girls, our students as our own. Mr. S. Bensali specially takes care of it, that all the girls whosoever come here are very well groomed, right? They speak well, they present well, and they are in one of the safest and beautiful environment to nurture.
Wonderful, ma'am. Ma'am, the final message you want to give to the students?
I would just say keep rocking, girls and boys. India is doing amazing globally, but please don't forget that you should keep rooted. Don't forget Indian heritage, art and culture, after which the entire world is crazy. Please try to revive Indian art and craft. It is the crux, it is the beauty. Entire world is after that. Don't forget, handmade, handicraft rocks the world. Stay tuned. Best wishes from INIT Gurukul Ahmedabad and Rupal Jain.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Pleasure.